Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about Aussie dollar index and the trade, and just wanted to show how this system works. We not only watch the pairs with this system, but also the system involves these currency index, watching the individual currency indexes. So let me show you the beauty of it. This is Aussie index 33-minute chart I made on the 15th November elliott wave count. When it was going from here, I already also made the chart showing that the Aussie dollar is gonna get strong, and everything where the Aussie is on the right hand side, for example EUR-AUD, pound Aussie, they will all be dropping, and they did. So now what happened is that this is like wave 1, 2, 3. This is elliott wave study, and then see this harmonic pattern. It's a crab pattern here, the blue, right? So I teach everything, and when you involve a little bit of this, a little bit of that, you basically cover this whole thing from all the sides, and limiting the chances of losing. So in this scenario here, if the Aussie dollar start dropping, it will get weaker, and wherever the Aussie dollar is on the right hand side, those pair will go up. Simple as that. Okay, so after this wave 3, I said we're gonna get wave 4 and then maybe go up for wave 5. So what happened this chart so far, as of 21st, we are here. So we're still probably gonna go a little bit more down, and then go up for wave 5, right? But yes, we start coming down. For a couple of days we will be coming down, and the Aussie dollar was getting weaker, and as a result I took the entry EUR-AUD on the 19th. You can see after bouncing it, and using this system is very beautiful, that it makes the higher low indicators all the way down, and I knew that Aussie dollar is getting weaker, and also euro was getting strong, but I don't want to show it here, it's going to be too much then. So both factors and this pair, you can see how it went up all the way. Okay, so this is how easy it is. And not only that, but pound Aussie probably went up, and wherever the Aussie is on the right hand side, and the pairs that the Aussie is on the left hand side, they went down. For example, Aussie USD, Aussie yen. So this is how it works. Yen index, for example, no, let me show you this USD index right now. I just made this chart and I send out to my subscribers. This is how it is. Okay, this is what I do. This is a before chart. This is a harmonic pattern, and X, A, B, C, D, and based on my long-term analysis as well. My weekly chart is saying that this USD is supposed to drop for a retracement, and here we have this beautiful calculation for a harmonic pattern butterfly, right? So this is I made when it was at 0284. 0284 I just made like an hour ago, and look what happened so far. 0284, and it is at 0273. Okay, so it's already start dropping. This is a 7-minute chart. Okay, it gives more detail, even though it's right now it's bullish, but I know what's happening. So based on that, I already long the euro USD, which the trade I will show later. Okay, once I have like maybe 70, 80, 100 pip. Less than that I don't even bother showing it. It's 40, 50 pip, who cares, right? So I made this chart. I'm gonna give it to you. It's at the part of the video, USDX, right? So it's gonna drop. All those pairs, euro USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, they will be going up, and USD CAD, USD franc, USD yen, they will be coming down. Okay, so this is a gift from me, and this is how we work here, and this is how what I teach in my webinars, live webinars. I do a couple of twice a week, Sunday and Wednesday, and I give out the charts, explain the setups, and teach and answer all the questions that you have. So if you like what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe, and be a part of the group. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.